What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and today we're looking at a massive value in car audio. This is a combination subwoofer and amplifier. That makes installation super easy, and it's pretty powerful on its own. Let's jump into it. So here you can see on Walmart, 10-inch, 1200 watt subwoofer, fits right under your seat. I actually think this is great for trucks. I'm going to install it in my truck, and for $90. That is absolutely insane. It's got a built-in LED, a really nice spider design. Of course, this is all going to be under your seat or something, or behind your seats, but knowing that it looks really cool isn't a bad thing either. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to unbox it today and see what this looks like. All right, so we've got the accessories box here and the main event right here. All metal design, by the way. Very heavy, sturdy. That is a metal design. It seems like cast iron almost, with a metal grill and everything. So this isn't plastic. This isn't going to break or get too hot or anything. This is all insulated and sturdy. So yeah, 10-inch speaker right here, 1200 watts. Really nice design for the brand as well. The 7Tour logo and the font itself is really clean, as well as, of course, the spider here. And seeing that glow in blue is going to be really cool too. In the back, we've got our phase adjustment, our auto power on, our low pass, bass boost, and input gain, all controllable via the back here, so you can get it all set up nice and clean. We've got a remote control adapter here for the infrared, so you can actually use the remote control which comes with it. High level input, RCA input, fuses, as well as the actual power and ground terminals here, which are very, very nicely designed to make it easy to just screw those in and get it installed. So let's take a look at the accessories and see what it comes with. We've got our user manual. We've got all the cables we're going to need, all in general, including the capacitor there. Everything seems to be in place for installation. That's great to see. Here is the remote control, and here is the RCA adapter. And this will go from our stereo to this adapter here. That way it can get to the amp and play bass. It's got two Velcros here to keep it in place, fuses, and mounting hardware. So let's take a look at the remote, because that's what we're going to be using most. So it'll be nice to see what that looks like. Here it is. So it's something you can keep right by the seat. It isn't wireless. It is a wired remote here, but you do have your bass control. So you can kind of keep this aside and just bring it out when you need to, change the bass and put it back. This isn't required to run it. You can, of course, change that, set it, leave it there and unplug it, but it's there if you need it, which is really, really cool. But yeah, this is a 7Tour 1200 watt combination subwoofer and amplifier, all in one here in a really clean metal frame. So yeah, definitely check this out in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.